Hey guys, it's Steel City Briggs back with another video. Today we are doing a random hobby pack opening.
All right, so we got Classics 2010, 2 packs of Topps 2006. These are all hobby, by the way. Prestige 2007, and 2 Bowman draft picks 2009. So I'm gonna do, let's see, I'll do these, and Keenan can do the rest. So let's open these up. I'll start with this. I'll start with the Bowman. Oh, we got Brian Rodski, Ian Johnson, Quan Kogski, Phil Loadholt, Brian Orocopo, Chris Wells, Warwick Dunn. Oh, I thought he was a rookie for some reason. Steve Smith, Jason Campbell, and Clinton Portis. All right, let's go with Topps 2006. What the heck? All right, we got Jake Plummer, Javon Walker, Cedric Benson, Kevin Curtis, Joey Galloway, Brian Grease, Derek Bergs, Tony Gonzalez, Heinz Ward, Ring of Honor Super Bowl. I don't know how to say that. Michael Huff, Dante Culpepper. All right, let's do Prestige. Oh, there's something thick in there.
Could be a filler.
I don't think so. Chad Johnson.
Ocho Cinco.
Wait, when was he a rookie? What the heck? I don't know. Mike Bell, H. Campbell, Ward Judy. It's the next card. Sidney Rice. No way. Carson Palmer.
Oh, that's not bad.
I mean, it's not too bad. Patch. Game worn. We got Antonio. Wait, is that Antonio Gates? Yeah.
I forgot about that guy.
I'm sorry, I can't read this stuff, guys. It's so weird. Like, it's a cursive. All right, and then we got Classics. I love Classics. It says look for an auto in here, so I will do that. Danny Amendola. I didn't know he played for the Rams. Mike Sims Walker. Oh.
Filler.
Corey Wootton. Filler. Marshawn Lynch. And Sean Green. All right, it's Keenan's turn now.
All right. I am opening a Topps 2006, Bowman's draft picks, Prestige 2007. I'm going to start with Bowman's.
Dude, sitting like that hurts my back. It's so weird. Watch, it'll start doing it.
Darius Butler, Donald Brown, James Laurinaitis, Victor Harris, Chris Wells, Jonathan Lugs, Tony Gonzalez, Lee Evans, Big Ben, and Donovan McNabb.
Whoa. What is that?
I don't know.
That's just a class, I think. Students work hard, get cards. Okay.
All right. Alex Smith. Sam Gatto. Brandon Stokely. Mark Bradley. Tiki Barber. Carnell Cadillac Williams. Wally Wundy. Jay Cutler.
Wait, is that a rookie?
No.
No way.
Is
Yes,
it
it
actually?
is. Jay Cutler rookie card. That was a dog toy on the background. It sounded something different. Hobbs rookie card, Jay Cutler.
And then Abdul Hodge and Chad Pennington. And one last pack, Prestige 2007.
All right, here we go. This can contain a good, nice card. Shh. See, it's a dog toy. Not even mine. Dude, what are you doing?
I'm trying to open it. It's not. I'll just rip it instead of being
No.
careful. Oh, saw a Steeler.
2007.
I don't know what this guy's name is. Marvin Harrison.
I love him.
Keyshawn Johnson. Marty Brooks. Charlie Fry. DeMarcus Russell. Damian Tomlinson, and Hines Ward.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll be back soon. See ya.